Welcome back, guys, to Forest King channel. We're gonna continue where we left off at. I said that last time, but anyway, I'm gonna try to fix that. We're gonna continue and use Nightingale. I think I had made a video from her. Yeah, I made a video for her last time, and yeah, so anyway, I guess YouTube didn't like upload it, so I had to restart it. Long story short, we're gonna just play this really quick, and so we can get to Battle Royale. Please comment below in the comment section what you like for each individual for each of these individuals that I've been using. So
we won't fight alone.
Alright.
You can rely on me.
Nightingale. We're gonna use her. Hopefully YouTube doesn't like do anything like shady or anything like that, because there's been times when I try to upload my videos and some reason YouTube doesn't does its job. Like, I don't know. I hit the upload button, but it doesn't upload. It's weird. Well, let's see what's going on. I really want to play Battle Royales, like, really bad. Test out her abilities.
Stealth completed. Target. Target down.
Why is it so red?
Need healing. Target down. I'm hit.
I need to heal. My game is like rendering super terrible.
Recover. I'm hit.
What? Wait, who spawns right there? That's what I don't get.
Shortcut created. Target down. I'm hit. Target down.
My sensitivity is like terrible. This game is like has some bugs in it, so it's really hard for me to like use a sniper on this map. It's been buggy like from close combat. I don't know why it's been like that. They need to fix that. They seriously do, because I have a device that I'm using that's really capable of playing any of these mobile app games, just like any other device.
Target down. Target eliminated. Capturing base. Is anyone the base's range.
Oh, I gotta wipe my screen a little bit. My screen go wee. Wow, I know the bots are like how? What is he doing?
Target down. Target eliminated. On hit. Target down.
Thanks, teammate.
Shortcut created.
It's a good way to block the door so my teammates can get in.
Stealth completed.
What?
On hit.
I bet if it was a real player with an assault rifle, it would have killed me. I had to reload my pistol. Ooh.
Target down. On hit.
Whoa, what?
Target down.
What the heck? It's definitely some bugs.
Target eliminated. This is not our destination. Keep moving.
Oh, I thought it was... Okay. I accept. Hey, look, even Nick Fury got that eye patch right there. If you know who he is from the Avengers. But anyway, this was a really good game. I'm going to wrap this up really quickly. If you like, subscribe, and comment below which one is your favorite. And I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.